Here at Grand Park in South Sarasota. This is the Siesta Key II model. This is only available in this general area. It is an incredible home, so we're gonna go take a tour together. Remember, book a tour with me in the links below to make sure that you get represented to get the best deal possible. This is the Siesta Key II. 3,651 square feet. It is a 3-car garage with separate entrances for convenience.
All right, Longleaf at Grand Park is going to be a boutique neighborhood of only 185 home sites. It's going to be gated with exclusive amenities just for our residents. We are going to have a pool, pickleball, a gym, and a clubhouse. Homes by West Bay will be the exclusive builder out here with all single-family homes ranging from 2,500 square feet to 5,000 square feet with price points in the high 900s. What's great about Homes by West Bay in Sarasota is the convenience. You are 8 minutes off of Highway 75, but you're kind of tucked away so you get the privacy and quiet you're looking for, but you're close to everything great in Sarasota. West Bay is a production builder, meaning
flowing right into the first bedroom.
But we truly let you personalize the home from the ground up. So your home won't look like every other home in the neighborhood. You will design your kitchen, pick up
with a generous size walk-in closet. Goes through your Jack and Jill bathroom. Onto your second bedroom in the front. Again with same generous sized walk-in closet. Which flows right on in to your laundry room. So much storage in here. And they've really outdone themselves with beautiful countertops, cabinetry, workspace, and a sink. Flowing into the next portion of the house, you've got a half bath right here off the entrance. Flowing into your flex space. This could be schoolroom, hangout room, movie room, office space. The glass French doors. We're going to flow right on into the living room now and the kitchen. Look at the details they've added here. This feels very Caribbean, tropical, coastal. I absolutely love this long counter space and views right into the outside area. So you even have a little mini cooling fridge here. And look at all this seating for everybody. Incredible. Advantium oven. And those appliances are Wi-Fi connectable. Again, this is a gas community, not typical for older Florida, but they're bringing that our way. They've established a beautiful outdoor kitchen out here. Notice there's a lot of space, so this would be an excellent space to entertain. You've got the splash pad, the overflowing hot tub in here, water fountains, room for chairs on both sides with beautiful travertine tile. Flowing towards the back of the house, you have this incredible primary suite. They've kept the same coastal modern theme throughout with the beams. Notice you have plenty of room to sit in chairs, take in the views, and then you come into this stunning primary suite. Large double vanity, soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a very nice sized closet. This is such a fun game room, movie room. It's a nice loft space to hang out. And they've even got a separate kitchenette here, cooler and a sink. Of course, you have a full bathroom up here. Next to your bedroom. So all of these have walk-in closets with plenty of space.
If you're looking at new construction homes because they're ready to go turnkey and you want a great deal, there's never been a better time to buy than now. Don't hesitate to call me. I'm here to help you. Click the link or QR code to book a tour with me and get started today.